No, negative response. No one, not a single person. Nobody, no person. Nothing, absence of anything. Nowhere, not in any place. Nowadays, currently, these days. Any, one or more of something. Anyone, any person. Anybody, any person at all. Anything, any object or thing. Anywhere, in any place. Anyhow, in any way, however. Anytime, at any time. Some, an unspecified amount. Someone, an unspecified person. Somebody, similar to someone. Sometime, at an unknown time. Somewhere, in an unspecified place. Someday, at some future time. Something, an unspecified thing or object.